Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial channel. Today we are going to do quiz on the characteristics and categories of plants. This is grade 10 biology. Please show, subscribe and like this video for more quizzes. የአስረኛ ክፍል ባዮሎጂ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። በጣም አሪፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። በጣም ይጠቅማችሁ ናቸው። ለዘንድሮ 10ኛ ክፍል ብቻ ሳይሆን ለሚቀጥለው 12ኛ ክፍል ስትፈተኑ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ይመጣሉ ብለን እናስባለን። 12ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎችም እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ቢሰሯቸው በጣም ይጠቅማቸዋል። That is good. Let's move to the questions. So question number 1. Which character do plants share with other living things? A. They are autotrophic. B. They have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose. C. They grow, reproduce, respond to the environment. D. They are sessile. Yes? Which character do plants share with other living things? With plants? With other plants? Or with animals? With fungi? So, good. The correct answer is C. They grow, reproduce and respond to the environment. This is the shared characteristics of all living things. So plants share with other living things because plants, like other living things, they grow. Plants, like other living things, they reproduce and respond to the environment. Good. What is the dominant form of reproduction in higher seed-bearing plants like angiosperm? The dominant form of reproduction. A. Asexual reproduction through spore formation. B. Budding. C. Sexual reproduction involving gametes. D. Asexual reproduction through cones. The dominant form of reproduction in higher seed-bearing plants like what? Angiosperm. So which one is the correct answer? Is that A? Asexual reproduction is the dominant? One now. የመራቢያቸው የትኛው ነው? Sexual no, asexual no, or sexual ከሆነ በምን? Good, the correct answer is C. Sexual reproduction involving gametes is the correct answer. Good. Question number 3. What the primary distinguishing feature between gymnosperms and angiosperms? Yes? How can you distinguish gymnosperms from angiosperms? A. Gymnosperms are non-vascular, where angiosperms are vascular. Good. B. Gymnosperms have cones and naked seeds, while angiosperms have flowers and seed within a fruit. Good. C. Gymnosperms reproduce by spores, where angiosperms reproduce by seeds. D. Gymnosperms are small, while angiosperms are large. What's the distinguished character feature between gymnosperm and angiosperm? ልዩነታቸው ምንድን ነው? ከነዚህ ምርጫዎች ውስጥ which one is correct? Good, I think you got the answer. B is the correct answer. Gymnosperms have cones and naked seed, while angiosperms have flowers and seeds within a fruit. Yeah. አይሆንም ጂምኖስፐርምስ አር ነን ቫስኩላር ሁለቱም ቫስኩላር ናቸው። ሲላትመጡ ጂምኖስፐርምን አንጂኦስፐርምን ሪፕሮዱስ የሚያደርጉት በሲድ ነው፣ በስፖር አይደለም። ስፖር የሚራባው ማነው? ፈር ነው ብለናል፣ ማውስ ናቸው ብለናል። ስለዚህ ሲማያንም ዲ ጂምኖስፐርም ስሞል ነው፣ ይሄኛው ላርጅ ነው። ጂምኖስፐርምን ላርጆች አሉ ጽድ የመሳሰሉት። ስለዚህ the correct answer is B. ጂምኖስፐርም ኮንስ እና ኔክድ ሲድ አላቸው። አንጂኦስፐርም ደግሞ ፍላወር እና ሲድ ኢንክሎዝድ ሲድ አላቸው። ጉድ። Question number 4. Why are non-vascular plants like moss generally small and restricted to moist areas? A. They lack chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Good. B. They rely solely on sexual reproduction. C. They lack a system to transport water and nutrients efficiently. D. They produce flowers that require specific pollinators. Which one is the correct answer? Why non-vascular plants are restricted in small and moist areas? ለምንድን ነው? Why they are small? ትንሽ ናቸው። እንደገና moist area እርጥበት አካባቢ ነው የምታገኟቸው። ሼድ ኤሪያ ነው የምታገኙት። ለምን? which one is the correct answer? ተማሪዎች ማነው መልሱ? እየተከታተላችሁ ነው? the correct answer is what? C. They lack a system to transport water and nutrients efficiently. vascular bundle, vascular tissue የላቸውም፣ ዛይለም እና ፋይለም የላቸውም ብለናል። ስለዚህ ይህንን ችግር ለመቅረፍ እነሱ የሚበቅሉት የት ውስጥ ነው? ወይም የሚያድጉት የት አካባቢ ነው? ሞይስት ኤሪያ ነው። ክሎሮፊል ያላቸው ነው? ክሎሮፊል አላቸው። በሴክሹዋል ስለማይራቡ ነው? ይሄኛውም ሊሆን አይችልም። በስፖር ፎርሜሽን ይራባሉ። ስለዚህ ኮሬክት አንሰር ሲ they lack a system, they lack xylem and phylum to transport water and nutrients efficiently. Good. Question number 5. Which type of plant produce seeds enclosed within the fruit? A. Fern. B. Angiosperms. C. Gymnosperm. D. Liverworts. Seeds enclosed with what? A fruit. Is that fern? Is that angiosperm? Is that gymnosperm or liverworts? Which one is the correct answer? ዘር ያላቸው ዘሩ ፍሩት ውስጥ የሚገኝ የትኛው ነው? ተማሪዎች መልሱልኛ። Good. The correct answer is B. Angiosperms. Angiosperms produce seed enclosed within a fruit. Gymnosperms seed አላቸው ነገር ግን ፍሩት ነው የሚገኘው አይደለም። ኔክድ ሲድ ነው ያላቸው እነዚህ ጂምኖስፐርሞች። ፈርን ሲድ አለው የለውም። ሊቨርወርት ሲድ አለው የለም። So the correct answer is B. Question number 6. A plant has well-developed roots, yes, well-developed stems, well-developed leaves, but produce seeds in cones without any covering. This plant is most likely A. moss, B. gymnosperm, C. fern, D. angiosperm. Which is the correct answer? Root አለው stem አለው seed አለው seed የሚገኘው ደግሞ ውስጥ ነው cones. Yes, so the correct answer is what? I think it's clear. You got the answer. B. Gymnosperms. So gymnosperms produce seed in cones. Angiosperms produce seed in fruits. So the correct answer is gymnosperm for this question. Good. Question number 7. What key structural feature distinguish vascular plants from non-vascular plants? What distinguish characters that you distinguish or you separate vascular plants, gymnosperm and angiosperms from non-vascular plants such as moss? A. Produce chlorophyll. B. Presence of transporting vessels, vascular bundles. C. Ability to reproduce. D. Being multicellular. So the correct answer is what? vascular plants ከnon-vascular plants በምንድን ነው የምንለያቸው? ትልቁ መለያቸው ምንድን ነው? Yes? Yes? Which one is the correct answer? Students, ተማሪዎች ማን ነው? vascular plant ያላቸው non-vascular plant የሌላቸው ምንድን ነው ከዚህ ውስጥ? Good. The correct answer is B. Presence of transporting vessels. Yes? Vascular plants distinguish from non-vascular plants because of the fact that vascular plants have transport vessels. Vascular plants have vascular bundles. They have xylem and phylum to transport water, mineral, and food. Good. The correct answer is B for question number 7. Question number 8. Which statements best describe a characteristic unique to angiosperm among the plant groups? Among the plant groups, what are the unique characteristics of angiosperms? A. They have vascular tissue. B. They produce seeds. C. They have flowers, seeds enclosed in fruits. D. They reproduce sexually. What are the best describe the unique character of angiosperms among other plants groups? vascular tissue ስላላቸው ነው? ዘር ስላላቸው ነው? flower and seeds enclosed in fruits ስላላቸው ነው? D. They reproduce sexually. Which one is the correct answer? Perfect. I think you got the answer. The correct answer is C. They have flowers and seeds enclosed in fruits. So the best describe or the unique characters of angiosperm is that they have flowers and they have seeds enclosed in fruits. So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 9. A key feature of non-seed-bearing vascular plants such as ferns is A. The production of seeds that are enclosed in an ovary. Good. B, the presence of flowers with stamens and carpels. Good. C, the dispersal of offspring through seeds containing within fruits. D, reproduction through spores. Yes. From this alternative, we find the key feature of non-seed-bearing vascular plants, such as ferns. Which one is the correct answer? Seed አላቸው? የላቸውም። Flower አላቸው? የላቸውም። So the correct answer is what? D. These non-seed-bearing vascular plants reproduce through spore formation. So the correct answer is D for question number 9. Good. Question number 10. Gymnosperms, such as pine trees, reproduce using A, flowers, B, cones, C, fruits, D, spores. What are the reproductive structure of gymnosperms, such as pine trees? ጽዶች reproductive organaቸው ማን ነው የሚባለው? Flower? Do they have flowers? Do they have fruits, spores, or cones? The correct answer is cones. Cones are the reproductive structure of gymnosperms. So gymnosperms reproduce using cones. So the correct answer for question number 10 is B. Good. Question number 11. Which statement best describes the evolutionary advantage of vascular tissue in plants? Yes? The evolutionary advantage of vascular tissue in plants. Vascular bundles. What's the evolutionary advantage of those plants that have vascular tissues? A, it allowed plants to produce flowers, attracting more pollinator. B, it allowed plants to grow taller, to compete for sunlight, and transport resources more efficiently over greater distances. Good. C, it enabled plants to survive without needing sunlight. Good. D, it eliminated the need for roots, allowing plants to float freely in water. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the best analysis for the evolutionary advantage of vascular tissue in plants? Vascular bundle መኖራቸው ዛይለም ፋይለም መኖራቸው አድቫንቴጁ ምንድን ነው? ምን ጥቅም ነው ያገኙት እነዚህ ፕላንቶች? From the given alternatives. Good. The correct answer is B. It allowed plants to grow taller, to compete for sunlight and transport resources such as water, nutrients, food more efficiently over greater distance. So the correct answer for question number 11 is B. This is the evolutionary advantage of the presence of xylem and phylum in such kind of plants. Good. You discovered a new plant species in a rainforest. It is 10 meters tall and produces spore on the back of its leaves, but it has no flowers or cones. What would you classify these plants? How could you classify these plants? A, non-vascular plants like giant moss. B, a flowering plants, angiosperm. A seedless vascular plants like a fern. And non-flowering seed-producing plants, gymnosperm. Good. ዲስከቨሪ ያገኛችሁት ምንድን ነው? 10 ሜትር ይረዝማል። የሚራባው በስፖሩ ነው። ስፖሩ ቅጠሉ ጫፍ ላይ ቅጠሉ ጀርባ ላይ ብላክ ሆኖ ታውታላችሁ። ይሄ ፕላንት አበባ የለውም። ይሄ ፕላንት ኮን የለውም። ስለዚህ ከየትኛው ነው የሚመደቡት? which one is the correct answer? ቶል ነው 10 ሜትር ነው። ረጅም ነው በጣም እንደምታዩት። Good. The correct answer is C. Seedless vascular plant like a fern. Non-vascular plant giant moss አትወስኑ ማያሶች አጫጭን ናቸው ተብለዋል። ፍላወሪንግ ፕላንት ነው አትሉት ፍላወር የለውም። ጂምኖስፐርም አትሉት አሁንም ኮን የለውም። ስለዚህ the correct answer is C. Seedless vascular plant like fern. Good. Question number 13. What is the key difference between the reproductive process of a fern and a pine tree? Yes. What's the key difference between the reproductive process of a fern and a pine tree? A, ferns produce flowers, while pine trees produce cones. B, ferns are non-vascular, while pine trees are vascular. Good. C, ferns reproduce using spores, while pine trees reproduce using seeds found in cones. D, ferns require animal pollinator, while pine trees rely on wind. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? What's the key difference between the reproductive process of a fern and a pine tree? Good, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is ተማሪዎቼ ማን ነው? የተከታተላችሁ ነው? ተማሪዎቼ the correct answer is what? C. Ferns reproduce using spore, where pine trees reproduce using seeds found in cones. አይደለም? እንዳትሉት ፈርን ፍላወር የለውም። ቢ እንዳትሉት ሁለቱም ቫስኩላር ናቸው። ፈርንም ይሄኛውም ፓይን ትሪም ቫስኩላር ናቸው። So the correct answer is what? C. This is the difference between fern and a pine tree. Fern reproduce using spore, whereas the pine trees reproduce using what? Seed found in cones. Good. Question number 14. Which one of the following is the characters of gymnosperms? A. Production of flower for reproduction. Good. B. Seeds enclosed within a fruit. Good. C. Reproduction through spore. D. They possess naked seeds often found on cones. Yes. Which one is the characteristics feature of gymnosperm plants? Is that production of flower? Is that seed enclosed in the fruit? That they produce through spore formation? Good. The correct answer is D. They possess naked seeds often found on cones. This is the characteristics of gymnosperm. Flower የላቸውም አይሆንም። ሲዳቸው በፍሩት ኢንክሎዝድ የሆነ ፍሩት የላቸውም። ይሄም ትክክለኛው መልስ አይደለም። በስፖር አይደለም የሚራቡት፣ በሲድ ነው የሚራቡት። ነገር ግን ሲዳቸው ምንድነው? naked seed found on cones. So the correct answer for question number 14 is D. Question number 15. Which of the following statement correctly misattribute a character? A. Angiosperm produce cones for reproduction and have naked seed. Good. B. Non-seed bearing vascular plants like ferns use spore for reproduction. C. Gymnosperm are woody plants that do not produce fruits. Good. D. Angiosperms have seeds enclosed within an ovary that develop into a fruit. Which one is the correctly misattribute? And A. Angiosperm produce cones for reproduction. Is that correct? B. Non-seed bearing vascular plants like fern use spore for reproduction. Is correct. Is the correct statement or sentence. Gymnosperms are woody plants that do not produce fruit. Yes, is also correct. Woody plant nacho, fruit helacho. D. Angiosperms have seeds enclosed within an ovary that develop into a fruit. This one is also correct statement or correct sentence. So the misattribute character is that angiosperm produce cones. No, gymnosperm nacho. Cones produce የሚያደርጉት. Angiosperm produce የሚያደርጉት ምንድነው? We can say fruit. Angiosperm produce flower for reproduction. The correct answer, A is incorrect. A is misattribute. Angiosperm produce cones for reproduction and have naked seeds. This is the characteristics of gymnosperm, not angiosperm. So A is incorrect. For question number 15, the correct answer is A. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video for more biology tutorials. Share አድርጉት ተማሪዎች፣ ላይክ አድርጉት፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት። Thank you for watching.